guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa for those of you who are new, and I upload new videos every week. For today's video, I am doing a makeup look using the Glamnetic magnetic lashes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. But do me a really quick favor. Hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss whenever new videos go live. I'm going to be reviewing these Glamnetic magnetic lashes. So I bought the Vibe lashes, which are a really cool kind of a wispy lash. This is what the lashes look like, and they're kind of a little bit more full towards the end. So they're strip lashes, and they have these 6 little individual magnets that stick to the liquid eyeliner, which is also magnetic, which is right here. So the instructions just read: shake well before each use and then glide the tip along the lash line only, and apply the lashes onto the liner once it's 80% dry. So let's go ahead and get this makeup look started. I'm gonna do a little bit of a dewy summer effortless look with some bold lashes, because these lashes look like, you know, really fun to be able to play up with the eyes. So first I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage in the color Warm Nude. So I'm just gonna do a couple little pumps of that and blend that in. Next, I'm going in with the Hourglass concealer in the color Cotton and just getting rid of some of those dark circles. And then something that's fun for this summer, I like to use these Sephora Illuminating drops, and this is in the color Ultra Light. So I just like to shake this up, and it just kind of gives you a little bit of like that liquid highlight. And I like to just kind of drop some of this along my cheeks and top of my nose and the top of my lip, so like my cupid's bow, and then just kind of blend that in. And since we're going for that dewy look, I'm not really going to set much with the powder, but I am going to do just a little bit under the eye with the Hourglass Veil powder, just so it doesn't crease. So just very light powder right under the eye. Then I'm just going to go in and do a little light contour using the Lisa Frank and Glamour Dolls contour palette. Okay, now that we're all dewy and set, I'm gonna go in and do a cute little light shadow with the Hikari Shimmer Bronzer Flush Palette, and take some of this kind of copper, some of that copper color. And now with this lighter pink, I'm gonna go in and use it as the lid color. And now to continue with a little bit more of that dewiness, I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Cashmere, which is a nice, pretty gold color. So now what I'm gonna do is, you guys know I love a good like winged liner. But for this, I'm literally just doing the top of my lashes. So I'm just gonna go through and just do a very nice little thin line on the top of my lashes, just so the lashes have something to adhere with. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty liner and then actually do the cat eye. This is what the brush looks like. It's just like a standard little liquid liner brush. Okay, so there's the liner on one eye. While that dries, I'm gonna do the second eye. So my camera actually decided to die as I'm letting this dry, but I feel like this will be a good testament to see how easy it is to apply. So I'm gonna take the strip lashes, and I already have the liner on there. So this should just attach. Same thing. How do I do it this way? Okay, there we go. And ooh, okay. So I mean, they're on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So they're like on there. So let's just go ahead and finish up the rest of this makeup look. Let me apply a cute little lip and wrap this up on the iPhone. Alright guys, so that does it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I'm really impressed with the lashes. As you guys saw, I literally applied them with one hand while also holding the iPhone in the other. So they are very easy to apply and they do have a really nice hold to them. I would definitely recommend these. They have a bunch of different styles, so I think I'll definitely be checking out a couple more. You can get up to, I think, 40 usages out of each lash. So definitely worth the money, I think, if it's something that you're not looking to invest in, like eyelash extension. Do something where it's like strip lashes every day, because it's really tedious to be able to get it stuck just right. And these, I mean, they are on there. So would totally recommend these for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I just got done with a 16-minute leg workout and these suckers are still on. Can you guys see that?